A group of my friends started a YouTube channel. They were making ridiculously crazy food creations. And at that time, I actually had my own condo. So in order to get into this production and sort of like force my way into it, I offered my house up. But there was one condition, and that condition was that I would be the chef. One weekend, as I would on my free time, I made a crazy thing. I hollowed out a potato and sculpted it into what looked like a tornado. I stuffed it with cheese curds and gravy, and I called it a poutine tornado. Didn't think anything of it, uploaded it to the internet, and the next day it went super viral. I was getting calls from Yahoo and Huffington Post and Complex, and that's when I kind of realized that I actually have a skill here. Let's see where I can take it. I've actually been surprised from the feedback I've gotten from the culinary world. The one thing that almost every single one of them tell me is, how the hell did you come up with that thing? All of my food it has to be aesthetic first. Art is subjective, but that's the whole point, right? You're making something that you love. And for me, I'm fortunate enough to get notoriety for the things that I love doing. I'm trying to preach my way of not being afraid of the kitchen to the public. A lot of the times people see things that I make and they ask where I started or how they could start, and the truth is you just gotta start. You just gotta go and do it. And just like life, there's ups and downs, and just like life, there's failures and there's successes. But the only way to learn and the only way to progress is to do all those things. So for me, I think moving forward, I'm just gonna keep honing my skills, preaching that message to the public.